Hey guys, and welcome back. Here's a quick tip for all of you Toyota Auris owners. Is the battery in your key fob dead? You still need to get inside or be on your way. If you take a look, there's a button. Press that. Like so. Take out the key. And you're inside. And put the key back so you don't lose it. Now, to be able to start the car, you need to hold the key fob over this power button. And there you go. Now you can head to the store and buy a new battery. Well, this was a pretty quick and easy tip for you. Until next time, like and subscribe guys. You see me in the next one. See ya.